Hello, my name is George Tatum. I'm the service manager here at Baseline Solar. I'm talking to you today about arc faults, which are a rare error we see on some arrays. These can be hard to find, but with the use of our thermal drone, we're able to spot them where the naked eye would not be able to by seeing hot spots with the infrared camera. This allows us to quickly pull the panel, remove it, and get the system operating again. Our thermal drone allows us to quickly see when strings are down or parts of panels have been disabled because of bypass diodes. This is something that with conventional tools could take hours because of having to test each individual string on the roof, whereas with the drone we can quickly fly above the array and see exactly which parts of it are having problems. Our dedicated service team uses the drone mostly on large commercial installations, but the same folks that work on megawatt arrays bring the same expertise and tools to your residential arrays every day.